35.
अरे क्या आपने लिखा है 71 SCMR 31?
35 सर।
अच्छा 35।
वो तो आपने कहा कॉर्नेलियस साहब का जजमेंट है।
कॉर्नेलियस साहब का एक एडिशनल नोट है उसके अंदर ऑन अबेटमेंट।
So you've given us 3 judgments.
I've given 3. There is a 4th one, sir.
जी।
The 4th judgment is PLD 1967, Supreme Court 42. These are the 4 judgments of the Supreme Court which are repeatedly referred to.
42.
And then, Your Lordship, there is one judgment.
What is the principle?
The principle is, Your Lordship, that with death, corporal punishments are exacted from the body and from the person. And if the person is in the grave, that is the end of the matter. Appeal is abated in terms. Black's Law Dictionary की मैं definition को भी जरूर refer करूँगा. It nullifies, it eliminates, the claim ends.
Oh, how would you attend to, if I put it to you, if my father is now a convict murderer and he filed an appeal and the son, the family, subsequent generations will suffer from a stigma,
Your Lordship.
Though it's not a financial thing.
Think about it.
Though it is not a financial thing, why should they be deprived
Lordship.
of exoneration?
Lordship, unfortunately, the way criminal jurisprudence should have developed, it has not. And what is happening in the US? अगर आज in 2023 with the aid and help of DNA technology,
नहीं, वो एक अलग बात है।
आज भी वो कहते हैं आप स्पॉन्सर करें और स्टिग्मा को वॉश करें।
नॉर्मल अपील में
और अपील किस सेक्शन?
कभी तो होते हैं ना फाइनेंशियल चीजें कि जी मुझे वो रिटायरिंग बेनिफिट्स वगैरह whatever. But within the constitution, the fundamental rights, anything in
I
favor
have
of you.
attempted for the past 23 years, this is what I do day in, day out, murder appeals, more than 3,000 I have argued in High Court, and on many occasions I have tried arguing an appeal of a dead man, but never had luck, ever. So I was very anxious. Case
Maybe you never came before me.
Too late in the day, sir.
You may have been luckier. No, but here the question, there's another added problem. Just thinking aloud, I think at the end of the day, everything revolves around fairness. And I don't see a good reason for a person who wants to vindicate the name of his deceased, father. Why should he be prevented? Because, I mean, it also affects that person. I mean, you are the son of that murderer. I mean, it has societal consequences, it has family consequences. But here we have the added problem that none of the legal heirs are coming forward. So let's not kill it completely. Let us keep it alive, the issue.
1898 में रुक गई बात.
Maybe let's keep the issue alive. So, because after all, it's a code of criminal procedure.
No, what about...
So it is not, technically speaking, I mean, it has legal things, but we can look at certain constitutional provisions, the fundamental rights.
साबिक सदर परवेज मुशर्रफ की सजा के खिलाफ अपीलों पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बराह रास्त समाअत जारी है। चीफ जस्टिस काजी पायसीजा की सरबराही में 4 रुकनी लार्जर बेंच समाअत करा है।